welcome back to today's video, everybody. I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. I'm so excited. I just got it. I just took it out of the box. I've been literally sitting by my window all day waiting for the UPS truck, but it's finally here, so I'm not gonna wait too much longer. I got the gold. So apparently they no longer wrap the phones in plastic, and it just comes with these two little tabs. So we're gonna open it up. And I did order the 256 gig. Here we go. In the box, it's just like this. It protects the camera right here. It actually looks so much nicer in person. Like the gold is like a nice, like beigey gold. It's not even as gold as you would think it would be. Like my watch is darker than the phone. Like I love this. So here it is. It's just in a little case. And it also comes with the charger. The charger is USB-C to Lightning cable. So that's going to be interesting. I probably have to get an adapter. But for now, I'll just use my old one. Then it also does come with the pamphlet and the little SIM card pokey thingy. So I'm going to take my old one, the 11, and put the SIM card in now, just so I don't have to wait. Putting my SIM card in, and I'm going to start it up now. I'm excited to see how this works. Ooh, I have 5G. I'm actually really excited. The last phone I got was the iPhone 11. This bad boy. I'm excited to see all the new updates with this. So, bonjour. Hello. Swipe up to open. So, English, Canada. So, bring your phone next to this one. That's so cool. It's setting up my new phone. So I love this feature that you can just highlight this little circle and it'll snap and then start transferring on my phone. Thank God, because I've been trying to back up my phone for 2 days and it hasn't been working. So position your face within the frame. It's so cool. So it asks you, make this your new phone. What do you want to transfer? You want to transfer everything. I think it's finally done transferring from my old one to my new one. Oh no, it's preparing to transfer. Well, this seems to be done now. I'm excited to see the new features. I need to set up my Face ID. I guess it didn't come over, but also I noticed that a lot of my widgets and my apps are gone. So I can fix this later. I'm definitely excited to try the new night mode, definitely because I take a lot of pictures at night and I want them to come out really good. So I'm excited to try that, and the wide angle lens. Basically the camera's supposed to be that much faster and smoother. I'm gonna try taking a picture of this little plant here and see how this goes. Ooh, I love this new feature. This is the new Photographic Styles. Okay, I'm gonna choose a style. Let's try rich, vibrant. Yeah, let's try vibrant. I'm gonna take a picture of this plant. See, the closer I get. Wow, the camera is amazing. And this is a fake plant, and it's like zooming in so well. Like, let's focus here. My hand would stay still. Once again, I did get the 13 Pro. I'm coming from an 11, and I can definitely feel the difference and see the difference in the camera. I'll take a picture with my 11 and show you. It's trying, but it's not the same. Like, it's not even focusing the same. So the new focus thing on the camera is definitely working. I can barely get this one to focus. I'll insert these pictures once I'm done. I did end up getting the gold one in 256 gigs. This is the main reason why I did the pre-order last week, is because I had 128 before on my 11 and it's definitely full. So I needed double the space. I do love the gold color. I think it's such a nice color. It's almost like a nude. It's not even gold. But I really love this. The camera portion is definitely huge. I just went to Best Buy because it's the only place around that has cases, and I grabbed this clear case. So I'm gonna throw this on really quick. Forward to the longer battery life. I wanna see if this does last longer. Definitely when taking pictures and videos and stuff like that, because we all know Instagram kills your battery, but I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is just a quick little unboxing video. I'm really excited to play with this and try it out. Please let me know if you want an updated video, like what's on my iPhone and rearranging my shortcuts and stuff like that, and my theme. But yeah, this is the iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if you got a new one this week.